Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 30 minutes plus rest time 1 hour for the dough. Pizza roll, spinach, bacon, mashed potatoes, sharp cheddar chorizo. Ingredients: 500 grams of bread flour or all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters of water, a coffee spoon of salt, 12 grams of yeast powder, olive oil, chorizo slices, bacon bits, grated cheese of your choice. Preparation: mix flour, salt, yeast, water, olive oil. To make the dough, cover and let it rest for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Then flour the table and degas the dough, make a ball and roll it to get a thin crust. You can refrigerate the unused dough for later usage. I already made the dough and took a small part of it that I elongated in a thin square, adding some extra virgin oil droplets. I also made mashed potatoes, adding fresh spinach leaf cooked for 4 minutes and pureed them in a blender, adding also some fried small bacon pieces. Add the mashed potatoes mixed with blended spinach and small pieces of fried bacon to the dough square, adding some grated sharp vintage cheddar. Fold to make a wrap. Cover with more grated cheese, a slice of butter and black ground pepper. Insert in the oven on grill for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Once ready, top the roll with chorizo slices. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish. Please subscribe, like and share. This would help my channel. Thank you.